Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịmana o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu temple ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa jaja ndị oke erighị anyị fọntambaki, ndị oche eri anyị fọntambaki. Fada sikala aka ghọrọ ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụrụ ka anyị na nke ha ka mma. Buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ ebekwa chọọchị fa obodo ka abịakwa. Mmadụ Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe, Eze-Ana si n'ọma mbe ọdịnala amanwụ ọgba mkpụchaja. Oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi, Chukwu abịama agba gị ume. Ọdịnala ya dị. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu.
Ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, abịakwanụ m n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba, nke ọ bụ mụ nwa Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya. N'ụbọchị taata bụ Orie, asị m na Orie ga-eritere anyị ihe ọma ma ripụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. Asị m na akịkaka ya ama anyị na jijiji ya ama anyị. Asị m na ilo na-asị na-egwu ana ọfọ na ogu enwere mgbochi, maka na ọfọ na ogu ka igudo ji awa ana, ide ji awa ana etuwo. Asị na ọmaka ya emere anyị. Asị m onye echeche ihe ọjọọ ya eme anyị, ma onye si anyị nwụrụ, onye a nwụrụ ka anyị ji akwụ ya ise. N'ụbọchị tata, isiokwu m ji wee bịa bụ what you must know and do after doing your spiritual work, part 2. It will interest you to know that we treated part 1 yesterday. So if you have not watched part 1, please go and watch it. Then, echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa March ga-ebidokwa na March 6th. So ị nwere bido now to March 5th isonye na ya bụ aja. Ndị na-esonye bụ na ya amarịgo ka esi eme, mana maka gị gbaba onye ọfụ, ihe anyị niile bụ ya 3 prayer request. Then email donation token to the account number. Echatizie m na WhatsApp ka nye gị details ndị ọzọ ị na-edere na nke a ga-eji wee nwee ike nweta information a ga-eji wee bukwu gị maka ya bụ aja ka ọnwa March. Chat m na WhatsApp 08057837672. I repeat 08057837672. Then echefukwana n'ụbọchị Mondays and Thursdays bụ ụbọchị anyị ji enwe counseling, enwe ministration n'ọdịnala Igbo, using ọdịnala Igbo method, Ugochi to ọdịnala temple. Echefuna. Then nke ọzọ si bụ ihe anyị nidiri bụ ichefuna na ọ bụrụ na anyị mesịa ya na counseling anyị bụ free mana ịgba afa na-akwụ ụgwọ. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịbịa na temple, echefukwana ịbụk appointment with me ka ọ ghara ịbụ na ịbịa ị nwere ike ifu m that day maka I'm very busy, unless ị nwekwara ego ị ga-eji wee lodge na nearby hotel, yeah, spending the next day. Then mana ka ịfụ m nwee ike nweta attention the same day, you have to book appointment with me. Then nke a ga then ihe ọzọ nji maka na-ekwusi maka ya bụ one, ihe ị kwesịrị ịma gbasara ihe anyị maka ya bịa. Before m echefukwana na my true life story, my story bụ my atri na movie akpọrọ The Rejected of Staff. Nke bụ eziokwu na ọ bụrụ na watch bụ ọja movie mana ịbụ an ọdịnala lover, ihe kwara ya. Nke bụ eziokwu na ọ bụrụ na watch bụ ọja movie mana ịbụ onye Igbo bụrụ onye Africa, you are missing a lot. Go to my YouTube channel like I promised. Yes, yesterday, Saturday, I posted the season 3. Go there and watch it. And I can tell you, by Wednesday, you will see go and watch season 4. Like I told you before, I will be posting each season. Every 4 to 5 days, I will post one. Watch those movies. Your life will never remain the same. It will, as in, change your life and your family life. Okay, I could do so many things. Maka na ejiro ihe a na-agbara ntị agbara anya. Enwere ihe a na-agbara ntị gbaa n'anya anya akpọ, ịghọtara ya? So you go to my YouTube channel and watch that movie, season 3. Daalụ. Then ka anyị gaba n'iru n'isiokwu anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taa. Dịka nsi wee kwu, ịchụ aja anyị na-achụ dị nnukwute mkpa n'ọdịnala Igbo. Ọdịnala Igbo, I would like to digress a little so that we can ghọta ihe m na-ekwu nke esi ọ bụla watch Igbo part 1. Ọdịnala Igbo is a spirituality. Ọ bụ ihe mmụọ ka a na-eme. Ọdịnala Igbo abụrụkwa magic. Ọ bụrụkwa iwere nke erie m ego. For the fact that Ordinary Igbo is spirituality, it follows all the natural laws in creation. And they all can follow natural laws in creation. God will remain rules under the path of truth. In Ordinary Igbo, keeping the natural laws, the 10 commandments, is a must. If and I will repeat it again. If you are the type that don't keep that 10 commandments, you are not a good. Quote me anywhere. You can ask for the song. And the Yamun Swan have 10 commandments. And they chefuna. Now, 10 commandments is not a Christian law. You can go to your body before BC before and don't call Babia. You know, although the New Testament or the Old Testament. Old Testament, how come Ogbuefi? I'm an Ankadroganya. Yes. So no Christianity cannot claim the ownership of 10 commandments. He would work and don't have word. So if you are not keeping it, you are not on your. So what am I saying? Afa could be in various forms. It could be through prophecy. It could be through intuitive messages. It could be through Afa of any kind. Whatever means, whether it is a message from the medium to this cross material edge to you is an Afa. Yes. So, ihe niile abụ ụzọ dị iche iche a ga-esi wee refilu ihe na-eme na mmụọ. And the one nke ka ibie ife dị iche dị iwu the interpretation of whoever that received the message. Ability enwe ike interpret well ihe mmụọ kwuru, the state of the person's mind at that moment, and again one onwe ha na-agbara afa contribute largely na result afa nwa. Then na afa ihe afa kwuru bụ the authentic one dependere na onye na-eme ntapịa, then the interpreter and the executor. Then ihe ọzọ njiwe na-achịkọwara gị ewu dịka onye ezigbo onye ọdịnala, ihe amatara ọdịnala abụrụ majik. Akọwakwala gị na part 1 sị gị na ihe onye ọdịnala ya spirituality na-eme ewu inyere gị aka wee chụọ aja wee intercede ya mata. However, gị nwa na onwe gị nọ na the receiving end, gị nwa na onwe gị a na-achụ aja n'isi gị maka udo obi ịdịrị gị, nwere large role to play. Yes, large role to play bụ na as the person is interceding for udobi and favor upon your lives, now you should put yourself in a right state of mind. You were the worthy to receive that blessing. All the state you got on here, you will not be able to receive blessing. Yes. So because it takes two to tango. Ọbụrụ na ihe ọma nọ n'ụzọ gị, instead of interceding or intercession of whoever that is your spiritualist, whether a pastor or whoever, or your dibia or spiritualist. Before everything, the intercession, the person must follow natural laws. He must first of all take on form in the spiritual realm before he will now come down to the gross material and to meet you. So that is one thing you must do. So within that process, you must deserve the miracle and favor you are longing for. You must deserve it. Nature is not for the Christmas. Like the way the law court will tell you, the court is not for the Christmas. What you did not ask for will not be given to you. That is why he said in Matthew 7:7. You know why I normally like to quote? I want my like it him or Marat. Because your igayota, your igachota, koaka, na get megere. Odina Matthew 6:33. I say, seek ye the kingdom of God, and every other things, all those your good needs, shall be added unto you. The problem is that what you are seeking is not, you leave what is important, what you should do, and be expecting what should be an added advantage to you. You have not done what is expected of you. If you do what is expected of you, then you will be able to be in the right footing to expect your reward. Any child that will wake up in the morning, do his or her house chores, and respect his parents, and do all the mother or father directed him or her to do, deserve 3 square meals. Yes. Now, if you have done what is expected of you as a child of God, be rest assured that what you will eat shall be given unto you. So, he said, joy may he be chineke. Joy he will be word. Kosempu logi. Kosi no na igano na hime mehese agbara para go back or the possible. Yes, you cannot reap what you sow. Now we are keep on sowing greediness, hatred, violence, committing murder, and you want to reap goodies from where? If you don't deserve it. So now we always, that is why we are the law of karma came in. Law of karma is sure that whatever you sow is what you reap. Galatians 6, go and read it. that God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow is what you reap. Meaning that for whatever prayer you are spiritualist or intercession, interceding on your behalf, for that intercession to work, you must be in the right frame of mind. You must deserve it. So that the blessing and the pronouncement made upon your life will come to you. So from your own end, it takes two to tango. For your own end, in as much as your spiritualist is making some pronouncement, positive pronouncement upon your lives, for your own end, you have to prove that you deserve this responsible pronouncement, this positive pronouncement, by being in the right frame of mind, in order to be able to receive those pronouncements and be able to yield fruits. The laws of nature is not for the Christmas that will give you what you don't ask for or what you don't deserve. That is why he said, Matthew 6:33, seek ye the kingdom of God. Those commandments given to you, you must attend to it. So that you will deserve. Can go I think an alcohol Matthew, I can't remember the chapter now. Ebe a na-akọ Jizọs na-ekwu maka Jizọs ndị ụka ọbịa wee na-ekwu gbasara ọga mkpọrọ. Wee sị na ọga mkpọrọ a from the same person wee na-agha mkpọrọ, spreading the seeds, goodies, making pronouncements, casting good wishes and blessings. Now wee sị na ụfọdụ mkpụrụ dara n'ala dị mma. Some seed fell in a good, nurtured soil, and they germinate and bear multitude of fruits. But some fruits, the same seed, don't forget, the same seeds, and from the same casters, yes, the same seeds, from the same source. Some fell in the land filled with thorns and all the negativities. Ọ sị na mgbe ya bụ mkpụrụ akụrụ na-achọzi ka ha tonite ka ha bido mịwa mkpụrụ, ewee sị ogwu na akịrịka na ndojọ na nyoyo nkwọlọjis wee kpagbuo ya. He couldn't save the light of the day as he should. Ọ mịrọ mkpụrụ mana o mere attempt. I will go at the third force. Or at the third force, from the same source, from the same person, from the same city. I got a mkpụrụ. West Nampura na Sirika no kute. You couldn't even see any form of soil for those seeds to germinate. And they died. They did not even germinate at all. That is exactly what is happening in your life. People out there. Believe in me, quote me anywhere. It's not all the spiritualists that did their work. All of them must not go 100%. You know why? Lots of things are responsible. And when they came all within months, testimonies here and there. The same Libya, when you can look at the same work to another person, or got to over opposite. The same thing when you can look at only also, may I get at all. You know why? Libya brought you. Jesus himself, and you go where Makwat, about Gambono. And with so many factors, name ye. There go part one, there is part one, he got the young those factors. When he came, now those pronouncements might want to germinate, but because of one thing or the other, they couldn't see the light of the day. So it's not enough for you to say, I send money to my spiritualists, I send money to my pastors for prayers and the rest of them. Then for your own end, what are you bringing to the table? People don't understand this. That's why some people thought that our ordinary is magic. So your ordinary is when you are in your comfort zone, living promiscuous life, living a life of hatred, trampling upon other people's life, trying to pin people down, and you expect to be successful. How come? How can? You don't want people to be successful, and you are pinning people down not to be successful, and you expect to be successful. How is it possible? It's not possible, because garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you sow is what you reap. My dear brother, my sister, if you want to be successful, always be happy when good things happen to your fellow man. Believe in me, just a matter of time, your own will reach you. That is the message I have for you. Secondly, some of you don't really know what spiritual work is. Like I said in part 1, spiritual work is for you to build a personal relation with your entities. But they must have something doing. What is it all? My dear brother and sister, go and find something responsible doing. Even if they not all, because you do not know how to grow wealth. Even if that money enter your hands, you will use it to buy phone to your girlfriend, throw party, and the rest of the money will just go finished. Because you did not learn how to grow wealth. You must learn. Go and learn something, either handwork, or a trade. So that if any money enters your hands, you know where to put it legitimately. So that that money will be fruit of your labor. So that people will start coming to you. But lying solely 100% in it all is the wrong plan. Quote me anywhere. I'm on condition in on your why can't you diversify? How about other things you are doing? Then you go. Than lying in one source of income is the wrong plan. So you must. I don't want to know whether you borrow money for your brother or your sister or your whatever, but you must have vision. Exactly how you want your life to be. But what I'm telling you is that having one source of income is the wrong plan. No matter the money that came to your hands now, what are the vision? How to invest that money? Not to invest it in greedy investments that by being greedy, they will take all the money you have made. And be smart. Be smart. Don't allow people to mislead you. Because if you are not smart enough, because you don't know how this works, people can deceive you. You understand it? You know what is possible and not what is not possible. You must learn antecedents of whoever before you trust the person. I have told you how to diversify in other things so that you have other means of livelihood. Now by next week, maybe no matter how to create YouTube channel so that you will be able to convert whatever you are doing, good at doing, into money making. Stop being the spectator, watching while others are making money. You are good. You know that you are good in content creating. Yes, you can turn it into money, my brother, my sister. Whatever you're a teacher, you know you can teach very well. You have the skill to teach, but you are not employed. Believe in me, look, those things you learn, you know how to teach. It can even be children class of those kindergarten of a 10, but you teach this maybe phonics. You know how to teach phonics. And during our time, we read A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. But it's no longer the way it is now. Because children of nowadays normally learn phonics. One of the times we go A, B, C, D, no. They can one guy say again. Say do. You can even open your YouTube channel where you teach phonics. Believe in me, some parents can subscribe to your YouTube channel, download it and give it to their children to get them busy. You know how to cook dishes, you know how to do one or two, take it to YouTube. I'll help you to create your account. By next week, I will create time to teach you how to create a YouTube channel. Yes. And make sure all the content there is 100% yours. Don't put another person's content, because it makes you not being genuine, and it did not speak well of you, to make you look as a dubious person. You are want to take reap where you do not sow, want to take another person's glory. YouTube wants it to be original yours. So once you create it, keep on, don't be in a hurry. It might take you 2 years. See, to build wealth, you not get rich quick. And on Nanibo, you not get rich quick. Even if it take you 2 years. It took me 2 years before I monetized my account, YouTube account. Yes, it took me 2 years to build it. So even if it takes you 2 years, believe in me, soon you will start smiling. Even if it takes you more than that, but you have to be consistent. I will still help you. Once you are following me and you have already 1,000 subscribers, I will help you from there and tell you how you can install YouTube Studio. Then I will guide you how you can monetize your account, or where you'll be checking till you hit 4,000 watch hours and more. Because I want you to be making money. There are so many things you can make, you can be doing. Now, if you don't have money if you are not good in content creating, not everybody will be content creator, yes. But you want to trend, I will teach you how you can even create groups, marketplaces on Facebook. Yes, where you can be putting your ad free of charge. Unless I forget, I will website I need design now, according to the developer, maybe within this week. And when they get I will still give you the name of my site. You go there and post your goods, whatever you are selling, your services for free. By so you will be able to reach out to more people. So whether you sell, and I already told you that 2 ways to make money on social media is either you are providing services, yes, or you are selling goods. That is the only 2 ways. You understand? And trust me, don't give somebody that have not built integrity, your YouTube channel or Facebook page, to manage for you. If anybody is demanding for your login details, please go to the person's profile, check his antecedent. If possible, you can even throw it open to a larger group, so that people will advise you if such person will want to trust him. Yeah, some people are not trustworthy, so you can even throw it up. Or if you have spirit of discernment, which is I recommended for you, consult your spirit and your instruments to guide you. You understand? So that is it. I remember before now, because I have 2 YouTube channels. One guy now chatted me this and that he want to be managing my YouTube channel, that I should give him my login details. First of all, I contacted my instruments. He said me that person is a scammer, that he want to store my YouTube. That's my YouTube channel. Want to steal it. And if I give him my login details, that is a criminal. Do not trust him. Yes. Then after that, I went to his acclaim page. Yes. And after analyzing what I saw there, it's obvious that the guy is not somebody that I should trust. Now, but minus that, you on your own, if anybody asks you for your login details, go and verify his account to be sure it's not somebody you can trust. Don't give it to anybody. Myself, I will not even ask you for it. What I will do for you, I will be directing you what you will be doing using my own platform. The week I will be able to teach it, maybe this week or next week. Then I will use my own to be directing you. Use my own to be telling you where to click and how to follow all the directions. And you do it yourself. You get. Yes. So what I hear Kuzita no more all of the lucky game after cables or all. No, it doesn't end nature aja. Morning your mother go coach all that. After Charaja, then when the end then I kage. Kagawa got for your own end day. Go well, Makana, it take two to tango. On an abroad walk, or less go away your wall. On an abroad walk, you are the abo catch or watch and is sick. Then for your own end, you never see a moving on by the ma. Kiwi wiki to Zuke in a tamala. So I actually see. Yagas in nature be done. To Sari and Dozo. To Sari and Dozo. I won't even I join Kuzia when they talk about our family. Send them message in our WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. Keep asking talk and go while again, bo. Iga masi, bo. No, the Nukutempa. This will lie in a team I build. Echefuna. After this election, I need a video shoot other movies. I will. Yes. Book are true life stories. Yes. Yes. One is Ogbuefi. The other one is the wrath of the gods. Ugochi ancestors. Yes. The script is almost 90% done. So immediately after this election, we hit the ground running. Yeah, guys, yeah. No, for see you tomorrow by 9 a.m. Yeah, guys, yeah.